Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. Because on the daily time frame is where I've been saying that more than likely this is going to keep on pushing past. I think we're probably going to at least go back up to these highs. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down because this will probably be areas of resistance along the way, but more than likely, this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on its way up for a wave C of wave Y. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, it looks like a wave one, looks like a wave two, looks like we're in the middle of a wave three. Notice the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. As long as we don't get a break of that high low, high low, high low series at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I definitely would be doing nothing but looking for longs on the US dollar via the US dollar pairs themselves, especially on pullbacks. The trend is definitely your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.